Welcome to Die Casting News. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your die casting team. Okay, let's get right to it. Today's top story is a big one, a major growth forecast for the automotive parts die casting market. A brand new analysis is pointing to a huge period of expansion just on the horizon. And we're going to break down what that really means for you and the industry. So get this, the report is projecting a period of really rapid growth, starting in 2026 and going all the way through 2033. Now, we're not just talking about a minor little uptick here. The data is suggesting a massive upswing for the whole sector, and it's all directly tied to some pretty fundamental shifts in how cars are being made and what people are looking for in new vehicles. So, what's fueling this whole boom? Well, the analysis breaks it down by material type, and it's highlighting some incredibly strong demand for aluminum, magnesium, and zinc die casting. You know, each of these metals has its own unique properties, like being lightweight but still super strong, that are becoming absolutely essential in modern car production. And here's where you can really see that demand in action. I mean, these materials are critical for making lighter, more efficient engines and transmission parts. But what's really the game changer here is their growing use in structural body parts. This is a huge area of innovation where these lightweight alloys are completely transforming vehicle design, performance, and even safety standards. It's a big deal. So, who are the key players shaping this market? Well, the report calls out several global leaders, including some of the established heavyweights you'd expect, like Ryobi, Endurance Technologies, Nemak, and Dynacast. These are the companies right at the forefront, and you can bet their strategies and innovations are pretty much going to define this entire era of growth. But the report does more than just point out growth and name some names. It actually provides a strategic framework for getting your head around the market's dynamics. It uses those tried and true analytical tools, like SWOT analysis and Porter's Five Forces, and it gives you a way to really assess the competitive landscape, pinpoint potential risks, and uncover new opportunities. And this, right here, is why this matters. For anyone making decisions, these insights offer a vital strategic advantage. If you understand these trends, your company can spot those emerging opportunities, sharpen its marketing strategy, and, at the end of the day, make more informed, profitable investment decisions in a market that's changing incredibly fast. Ultimately, it's all about providing intelligence you can actually act on. By understanding the forces at play, companies can position themselves way better to capitalize on all the big opportunities that are set to pop up in the next few years. You could almost think of this report as a strategic roadmap for the future of automotive die casting. So it's pretty clear the years ahead are looking to be a transformative period for the entire automotive die casting industry. It really raises the critical question of how companies are going to innovate to capture their piece of this projected boom. That's the update for today.